Well, hello, hello. This is Rosa, RCG Creations. How you doing? I'm bringing to you a stir fry. First time doing it. Never done it before, but I'm cheating because I'm using this stir fry kit, garlic chicken. No, I mean, excuse me, ginger garlic sauce is included. All the veggies and everything. Hubby typically doesn't like all this stuff, but I said we're going to try something different because we're both really trying to watch our meal intake. So what I've done here, let me show you, is I've got some steak. I've thinned it really thin. Let me show you. Want to see how thin that is? And now I put a little olive oil in here. I seasoned it with garlic powder and seasoned pepper. You know what? This is almost gone. I'm going to use it all. It's practically gone, so it's not that much left. One less container I have to worry about. Okay. I think I put enough garlic powder in there. So now I'm just going to cook this until the meat is all cooked. Then I'm going to add my veggies in there. And you only have to heat them up a little bit. You don't have to really cook them. You should be doing this in a wok, but I don't have. I have a wok, but I don't know how to use it. Hubby uses a wok. Bear with me. I'm going to turn around so I can see what I'm videoing. Make sure everything's in motion. Okay. And I'm baking some bacon because we're going to make some. I'm going to be making some, not tonight, bacon wrapped pork chops. So I've got bacon cooking in the oven. It's going to be lightly cooked, not real crunchy because it needs to be flexible. So when you're cooking your meat, whatever meat that you're using, just continue to stir. I have this on kind of medium heat. And it's making its own little gravy in there. But the biggest thing is you want to make sure the meat is all cooked. That's the biggest thing. Okay? I did cut off a lot of the fat. There's only like 3 pieces. It was like 6 pieces, really, real thin, that were had some fat on them. So I cut those off. But the rest was pretty darn good. We got this from Kroger. And I forget the name of this meat. I forget what kind it is. But it's really thin. Okay, so I'm going to cook that. And the directions say heat large saute pan or wok to medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil to pan, coating the pan thoroughly. Add the vegetables to the pan and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring frequently. Excuse me, that pepper got to me. You know what? For a dinner meal, you can't get any easier than that. 15 minutes and it's all done, because it's probably going to take about 7 minutes for the meat to all cook. Then I'm just going to add all my veggies inside there. And then I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to saute them for 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're ready to eat. I did make a salad, but because we have all those veggies, and I don't want to do overkill. We're not much on salad. We eat it, but only because we have to. But we're getting better. We are getting better because hubby finally agreed to let me put some veggies in here and cook a meal with some veggies in it. Okay, so that looks like it's just about done. Let me let that simmer for just a little bit more. And I'm trying to stay in my 15-minute time frame, so I'll bring you back when we get to the next phase when this is done. And I'm gonna be honest with you, with all this stuff in here, we don't need any other side dishes because it's got all the veggies in there already with the sauce. I think that's more than enough. We don't need nothing else with that. So we'll bring it back when I come to the next phase. And basically all I'm going to do is pour the veggies in here, saute them 5 or 6 minutes, and then supper's ready. So that's a win-win for me. We'll bring it back. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to bring it back because it's already ready. All this meat, I'm just looking at it all. It's all done. But let me add a little bit of, I don't have canola oil, so I'm just going to have some olive oil. My little squirter thing broke. So as soon as this, I'm used with this oil, I'm done with this oil in this container, I'm going to throw it away. This was a gift for me from a friend from Pampered Chef. And I can tell, now I know why she gave it away. It didn't work very well. And then it squirts, and it keeps it there out of the way. And let's put our veggies in. I gotta keep an eye out for the, I just wanna make sure you can still see I'm not in your way. That flavor packet thing. Ooh, doing green beans, the green peas. Those are good. So there's a flavor packet. So there's that soy sauce thing, whatever that sauce thing. Okay, so I've never done this before. I gotta read my directions. Add the vegetables in the pan. Cook for 5-6 minutes, stir them frequently, reduce the heat, and then add the sauce. Okay, so let's toss this around. This is going to look like, it smells good. I wish you could see it. I mean, smell it. I know you can see it, but I wish you could smell it. It doesn't say cover, but then it's only doing it for 5 to 6 minutes, so. Let me see where my timer's at. Okay, I got 7 minutes on my timer, so when my timer goes up for my bacon, that'll be time to take this off the heat. And then we can do my best part, the taste test. The taste test. Well, it's looking good. Let me bring that up so you can see. See that? Well, that's looking good. I wonder what this is. I have no idea. Oh, I think that's cabbage. Personally, I would like, I'm going to take this part out. This cabbage piece, look how hard it is. We don't eat that stuff. I'm going to put it on here and we're going to take that out. Because it is not hard, and Hubby won't eat it. If it's softened, he will eat. So that was like the heart of the cabbage that's supposed to be thrown away. They should have even put this in here. No. I don't think you're supposed to eat. See that? I don't think you're supposed to eat that part. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know. Are you supposed to eat that or not? I have no idea. I think I need some more oil in here because it's starting to dry up. See how my squirter squirts is not too good? I used to have one of these. That's why I didn't mind taking it from her when she was giving it away. She was cleaning out her kitchen, the stuff she'd never used. And I had one of these before from Pampered Chef, and it worked fantastic. Finally, lost it. During one of my many moves. I used to move a lot. So this is going to be like a beef stir fry. So I'm going to let that simmer for just a bit. And then, let me get my scissors so I can open up this package. Here they are. I got 4 minutes left, so plenty of time. to let it simmer and do some stuff, and I will definitely still be under my 15-minute time frame. So I'm going to let it do its stuff, then we'll bring you back, because I got 4 minutes left. Okay, we're on to the taste test. It's done. Waiting for hubby. He should be on his way any day, any minute now. So let's do the taste test to see how this turned out. Let me taste this cabbage part. This is one of those crunchy ones. But let me see what it's like when it's all cooked. It's too much of the center. I'm definitely going to cut that out next time. Let's take the carrot with a piece of the meat. Whoop. Whoop. Well, it sure is tender. Big thumbs up. Great flavor. You can definitely taste the ginger garlic in the sauce. The veggies are all soft, except for, excuse me, sorry about that, except for the hard piece that I just ate, which I'm glad I took out the other ones. You can definitely tell that's part of the, that was the center of the cabbage that should not be eaten. And this thing has carrots, broccoli, florets, bok choy, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, snow peas, snap peas, kale, ginger garlic, teriyaki stir fry sauce, sugar sauce. Next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to Google it and watch some other YouTube people, and I'm going to make my own sauce. But otherwise, this is definitely a 2 thumbs up. I love the sauce. Great flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. And we'll see you at the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.